So we want to add this section. We want to add this one, then we'll come and add these other ones too. So I'll add these two sections, swatch and G-Shock. I'll change it to maybe something else. So I'll come here. I want to add a flex box. This one. And then I want to add this container inside. I want to duplicate this container. I'll click on these 6 dots and I want to align it horizontally. Now, if I come back here, I want to look for this. What we could do is that we could simply just duplicate this section. No need to go and start from scratch. Then I'll delete 2 of the columns. I'll delete this other one. And I'll make each of these to be equidistant, to be 50%. This one should also be 50%. And then I'll change this picture here. I'll go to wristwatches. I want to use this one first. It's loading. It's taken quite some time to load. I'll insert this here. And then I'm going to come and change the image resolution here. I'll change it to 1920 by 1280. Apply. Okay, it appears this picture is not big enough. So I'll come, let me see. The picture is 12. Okay. I'll use 1200 by, let's see, 800. All right. So it's the same thing I will do here. 1200 by 800. That's 1200 by 800. So I'm going to change this picture here to this. The picture is loading. So I'm going to insert this now. So we have these two. See, okay. I want to give it a top margin here. I'm going to click and toggle up margin. I'll make it 20. Or let's just say 30. And then I'll change the name here. Now for these ones, we could change these names. This one is Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe. This one is Audemars Piguet. This one is Richard Mille. And then we can see maybe this one is Rolex Daytona. This one's, let's just say, custom made. Brownlee, when you make money, you can start buying some of these watches. This Patek Philippe, this one you see here is about, this should be about $60,000 to $70,000.
Me, I've never even put me those things on my hands. They don't really move me at all.
Yes, when you don't have money, things like this don't move you. I'm telling you, you'll see that.
I don't know, but I've never really had interest in jewelries, man.
When you don't have money, you will not know what you like.
I don't know. I don't know if it is money issue. I've never really just liked it, except things just change.
That's what I'm telling you. That when you have money, that's when you that's when you know that Douala is too
You
hot.
had appetite.
Douala is too hot for you to spend the weekend there. You want to go to Limbe and be by the sea. You see, this is a drift away from the class. But there's one thing that I will let you know. Money opens
Yeah.
people's eyes in ways that they have never imagined. That's why a lot of men, when they start having money, they want to divorce their wife. A lot of
Uh-huh.
women, when they start having money, the man is no longer their standard. So, but that's why something like a wife, you want to choose a wife. Don't choose a wife based on your present condition. Choose a wife based on your future. Is this a woman you still want to be with when you've had all the money in the world? Or is it
I'm
just a
telling
woman
you.
is it just a woman you are settling for right now because of your situation? That was what I asked myself before I got married.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I'm glad I married the woman that no matter what, I still want to be
You
with.
still appreciate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, then want to add some of this now. Uh,
I don't know what is happening. The pictures I keep downloading, they disappear, they enter where I cannot find them. And I'm not really having what is happening.
so
For you.
down here, we are still going to duplicate this, but we are going to change the alignment. So I'm going to duplicate this, and then I'm going to drag it down here. So I'm going to drag it down here. But right now, I want to come now here. I want to download pictures of men wearing watches.
What is happening?
So I'm going to try this one. I'll see if this one.
Where mama? Where mama? Where mama? Where mama?
I'll download this one too. And then this. Please mute yourself.
Okay.
All right. So we will come back to this website. We see they are really just listing out the different brands. Mm, I'll come now here. I want to change this image to, let's say, 900 by 900. Excuse me. 900 by 900. I want to change the images. The first one I'll use is this one. I'll insert that. And then this one I'll see, I'll classify it as um, suit with, I'll say with suit. That means watches that are good with suit. I'll duplicate this and drag this over here. Then I'll delete. I'll do the same, duplicate this. No, not this one. I'll duplicate this, duplicate this, and then I'll delete this one, and I'll come here and I'll put this one. I'll add this one here. I'll change this one, and then this one I'll say pure gold. This one I'm going to change this picture, and I'll, I'll insert this and say leather hand. Then here, this one, I'll insert this here. All right, this one I'm going to say bundles, watch bundles. So the first thing I want to do here is that I want to click on this one. I want to come to advanced. I want to turn off the padding. I want to do the same for this entire container outside. I want to turn off the padding. Then I want to give it an all-round margin of 5. I will do the same here, all-round 5. I will do the same here. I will turn off the padding, turn off the padding. Now, and the margin all-round 5. No, not there. All-round 5. Here I'm going to do the same. And then all around 5. This one. So if I should publish now and preview my website, and if I should look at this, I think one thing I want to do is that I want to make this page to be Elementor full width. So I'll click on this settings icon on top of here, come to page layout, I'll make it Elementor full width. It's going to restart my page, reload my page. I can now publish that. And you see, but I still think it's a bit squashed. So come here and I want to give this a width of 1200. I want to do the same here. This section, come to layout. I want to give the width of 1200. Same here, 1200. Now you can see the page. The items have some breathing space. So this is basically the front end of the website. Let's look at it on mobile. All right, it's looking very good on mobile, except for this section. So we'll just reduce the width, the size of that text there. So on mobile, we say timeless pieces, and then the height. And then I want to come to this entire section, reduce, and we'll see reduce the size here and the size of that. And then I'll reduce the height. I'll remove the top and the bottom paddings here. I'll remove the right padding and the left padding. All right. Then for featured collection, I'm going to reduce the size. So this is now, we now see all of this. Then we can publish. I want to look at the page for guest watches, how it looks. Let me look at this page. Where is the United States? Oh, let me go to guess. Watches USA. All right. It's not showing me what I want to look for. Country. I want to go to the United States. I want to look at the design. Reject all. Watches. Mm, um, it's not really giving me what I want to see, but let's just go ahead. So you can see this is our website. Now, if I go back to my pages, let me reload this. I want to preview or edit my shop. I'll publish this. Let me see. Did I disable WooCommerce? Alright, WooCommerce is deactivated. Let me activate this one back. Um, Alright, let me update this one at least. If I now reload this page, okay, so we have just this one. We have just this one product. So you can go ahead now and add as many products as you want. Let me go to pages. I trashed all my pages, so that's why you see all of them are in draft. Let me go to About Us, Edit, Publish. Let me edit with Elementor. Alright, it's published. And then I'll go to Cart. I want to publish this too. Publish. Contact. publish. And then my account, I want to edit and publish too. All right, services, I will edit and publish. All right, if I reload this now. So this is the shop page. Bronny, can you hear me?
I can get you.
This is the shop page. Now, what I want to do is that I want to create a header here. You see, we don't have anything here. Let me reload this again. I want to create a header. So I'm first of all going to create a menu. Go to appearance, menus, and then here I want to add. I'll add this to menu. I'll remove this. And I'm going to make a primary menu. Now if I reload this, you see we have this here. I can edit the header. All right, there's something I'm seeing here. I'm using Elementor Pro. I was using this particular um, website for a tutorial in the morning. So I want to view this. This is how it's supposed to be. Transparent header. I'll click on shop. So do you see now?
Yeah.
All right. So if you go ahead and add other products, they are going to be added directly to this page. I have a meeting with the client to review their work. So this is what we have on the home page. We also have some kind of a footer here where we can create a better footer. So I'll reload this now. This is what we have. Now we can add another product.
There's one thing that I wanted to know.
Go ahead.
As this your pictures are moving like this, how to create a gallery where your pictures change
This is a
on your
slider.
homepage.
It's a slider. It's simply a slider.
because I looked for it the whole day. I could not get it. The whole time I had.
You just have to follow the
Just,
tutorial. Now come
yeah,
here.
but I followed the tutorial and I did not really see that part
Look at it.
clearly. How?
Look at it. 1 minute, please. Click here on this 6 dots.
Mm-hmm.
Come to Style. Then click on Slideshow, the fourth button here, and then
Okay, that was
add your
where it was.
pictures. Add your
Okay.
pictures, and it's going to show. Brownlee, I have a meeting with some clients right now.
Okay, there's no problem. This one is not small.
Yes, so
It's not small.
I'll just post the recording online, and if I finish early with the clients, I can still let you know.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait the recordings
Okay, shortly.
so that can work. Thank you.